Winter is such a festive season. Let's make a winter snowman landscape today. First, let's tape off the edges of our paper for a nice border. Begin the landscape with a line 1/4 way above the bottom of the paper. Add a tall and smaller triangle on the middle of the line as well as a snowball on the left. Make a curved line from the big tree to the right side of the paper. Draw a rectangle for the house and 2 smaller triangles on each side. Make the brim of the snowman's hat a little bit above the body. Square the top of the hat before attaching the head. Add a triangle to your house and a roof. Draw the top of the water in the back and be careful by hopping over the snowman and the trees. Add the hills, chimney, smoke, and windows and doors to the house. Top off the 2 middle pine trees with snow caps. Add facial features, arms, and buttons to your snowman. And voila, you are done with the drawing part. Get ready for paint by getting your water, paints, a towel, and your brush. Always start off with the very back layer, which is the sky. We are splitting the sky into 2 colors, light purple on top and pink on the bottom. The sky isn't always blue, as different times of the day and location can change its color. When you add the pink, make sure you paint around the hills before you fill it in. Next, paint the bottom half of these snowy hills and snowman with mint green. The shadow color of white doesn't always have to be gray. Using a cool color like this can help make the picture seem chilly. Mint green also looks nice with the pink since red and green are opposites or complementary colors. Next, paint the top part of all the snow shapes with white. When you are done, paint the river behind the snowman and right hill with blue. It's okay to go over the snowman's arm. We can draw it back in later. Color the smoke with white and add snow in the sky by using the back of the brush to dot them in. Don't forget the snow caps. Now we are done painting. Clean your supplies and take out your color pencils. Now we will color the house. You can color it any color, but we are using red for the walls, tan for the roof and door, and yellow for the windows. Before coloring the trees, add some circle ornaments. You may use different colors. The 3 right trees are pine green, but the big tree will be yellow green. For the snowman, we are using red for the hat, Orange for the carrot nose. Black for the eyes, mouth, and buttons. And tan for the branches. Lastly, outline the snow shapes in light blue. Now you can peel the tape. Good job, artist!